Introducing the official Plastindia 2026 mobile app, designed to make your visit smarter, faster and seamless to the world's largest event in plastics industry in 2026. For the first time in India, a trade show app gives you smart navigation even without internet. Get around without getting lost. Use interactive floor maps and GPS navigation to find exhibitors, halls and conference halls and more without needing internet connection. You can even locate a friend or colleague inside the venue scanning QR code placed at multiple locations. Plastindia 2026 mobile app is your smart companion for your visit. Right from registration to networking and a lot more. Register instantly with just a few taps. No queues, no hassle, only smooth entry. Build connections effortlessly. Scan a badge of delegate or booth QR and save details in your app without the hassle of remembering visiting cards. Discover exhibitors through AI-powered search. Get personalized recommendations and save notes, favorites and meetings all in one place. Hungry during the show? Skip the lines. Order food directly from the app and get back to business. Real-time alerts keep you updated on sessions, launches and big announcements so you never miss an opportunity. Your Plastindia 2026 experience is now smarter, simpler and more connected than ever before. Download the app today. Available on Android and iOS.